PRT is the first-to-market choice for complete strut assemblies for one of the best-selling vehicles on the national scene, the 2019-2020 Toyota Camry. The complete assemblies are designed for front right and left positions on LE, hybrid, and XLE models, among others. Installation procedures will be outlined in this video. This is a 2020 Toyota Camry LE. These same steps apply to 2017 and newer Camry models. Make sure you check the trim and engine before you order parts. These are the tools required for the job. Remove the front wheels. Use a 17mm box or combination wrench and a 6mm male Allen socket to remove the sway bar link. Next, remove the plastic clip that secures the ABS harness to the lower mounting clamp of the strut. Using a 14mm socket, remove the bolt that holds the bracket for the brake hose to the strut. Remove the two bolts that secure the strut to the knuckle. This will require a 22mm socket and wrench. Under the hood are three 14mm nuts that hold the upper strut mount to the vehicle. Remove the strut from the vehicle. The PRT Complete Strut Assembly can save up to 50% on repair time versus the traditional strut assembly where the technician has to remove the spring and upper strut mount. PRT Complete Strut units include OE quality components in a pre-assembled unit, restoring the original performance of the vehicle. PRT Complete Strut Assemblies are designed to replace the strut and bearing plate all in one pre-assembled unit. Each PRT Complete Strut Assembly integrates the premium strut, bearing plate, coil spring, dust cover, and spring seat all together, so that the installer can change the complete assembly conveniently and easily. Loosely tighten three nuts on the upper strut tower. Do not tighten completely until the weight is on the wheels. This happens to reduce binding. Install the bolts that hold the knuckle to the strut. Tighten the bolts to 214 foot-pounds. Loosely tighten three nuts on the upper strut tower. Reposition the brake line bracket and tighten the bolt to 21 foot-pounds. Snap the wheel speed sensor backing to the square hole on the new strut. Install the wheel and tighten the lugs to 75 foot-pounds. Tighten the upper strut mount bolts to 37 foot-pounds. Perform a four-wheel alignment. PRT, or Performance Ride Technology, shares its heritage with one of the largest manufacturers of shocks, struts, and complete strut assemblies in the world. PRT products are produced and tested under the strictest OE quality processes required by leading automakers in 5 modern and fully automated plants using the latest technology available. With more than 27 years of expertise in ride control and suspension product manufacturing, conducting business in more than 67 countries worldwide with a strong presence in OE and OES developments, PRT is a leading presence in the global aftermarket business. Quality, complete coverage, advanced features, and built-in profit potential for customers are synonymous with PRT. Performance Ride Technology is in our DNA.